guys, welcome back to mathematics. Today we're going to check the progression test style question number 7 of stage 8. This one is about line equations. If you don't remember how to get a line equation or what does that mean, you can go and check the video that I leave you in the description. Okay guys, let's start. It says circle the two lines that are parallel to each other. Remember, parallel lines are two lines that you draw them to the infinity and they never touch each other. The distance between them is always the same. And also notice that for that to happen, the steepness of both lines should be the same. And remember, the steepness is not other thing but the slope. That means for two parallel lines, the slope should be the same. So, in other words, they are asking us to find two lines that have the same slope. And let's remember what are the elements in an equation of a line. So we usually have it in the form y equals to mx plus b. Remember, this m represents the slope and this b represents the intercept. This is the intercept with the y-axis. All these equations are given in this way because y is isolated in all of them. So we are just going to read the slope as the value that it's with the x. For example, for this one, the slope is 9. For this one, the slope is 4. Be careful with these ones because they give it in another order. Even when the 9 goes first, the slope is the 4 because it's the number that goes with the x. So the slope in this case is 4. For this one, the slope is minus 4. And for this one, finally, the slope is minus 9. So yes, guys, this one and this one are the two lines that have the same slope, a slope of 4. So you just circle those two and you are going to get the mark. Okay guys, that was all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like if it was useful, and drop any question you have in the comment box. Bye bye guys, see you next time.